All right, y'all know where we at. We down here in Long Beach. This is the first one of the year, so, you know, let's check it out, see what's going on.
Hey, you need a picture of the front on there. You need that phone number in there, too, with the price.
Whew, it's nice, man.
Thank you.
Jeez. Yeah, this is hard. And it can be yours. This can be yours. Look at this thing, man. Come on. You can't build this bike for this price. Man, look at this thing, man.
It's a $27,000 bill.
Wow. Wow, for 12 grand. Wow.
We didn't build it. We can get away with it.
That's more than 50% off. Man, jeez. Man, this bike will definitely make you cooler.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Hey, are you guys? Great bike.
Thank you.
There's some deals down here. You know, people be selling bikes. They post them up like in the front. But, I mean, don't nobody beat our deals. But that's cute. Seeing people, you know, what they trying to do. It's nice. I love a fucking purple Dyna. You gotta love a purple Dyna. Mihai, what up? Shout out to my man Mihai with the purple Dyna. Woo! Ah! Yo, what up, dog? Yo, how you been, man? How you loving the bike, man? Yo, this thing nice, man. I see you put the bars on there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man, that look good, man. Yes, sir. Okay, yeah, and you did the rears.
Yep.
I like the pegs. Yeah, and it's nice, man. Yeah, thrashing, man. You can't go wrong with thrashing. Yo, this thing look good, man. Yo, you did it real tasteful.
Thank you, brother.
That's nice, man. Hey, that's dope, man.
Yeah,
hey,
thank you.
Hey, have fun. Hey, we're gonna be set up next month, so if you come check us out.
Okay, cool.
All right, bro.
All
right, have fun. Yo, what's up, brother? Yo, where's the bike?
Dude, I took it apart already.
That's what's up. What you doing to it? What you
The
doing?
wheels off and then I took the pipe off, so
Oh.
I want to get like a chrome pipe on, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I was trying to trade these pegs, but no one wants them. It's all good. I want to get a fairing too, though.
Oh, what you gonna do? A T-fairing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I was just looking like they're a little bit different though. Like that one
Yeah.
exposed on the bottom, so I was just like.
Oh yeah, and that's what I tell people. It's good to come so you can see a lot of bikes at once to get your ideas of what you want to do, so you can see how it's set up. Like yeah, that's what's up, man. Oh man, ain't even been a week and he diving into the bike, man.
Come on, I'm about it, man.
Hey, so any questions with trying to find anything, just kind of hit us up because you know we got accounts with all the parts
Okay.
companies. So if anything
Just
you
hit
want,
your number that.
just call us. Just hit us up. And yo, make sure you bring the bike through when you
I got it right.
Yeah, we got to get the before and after.
I got you.
All right, brother. All right, man. Good seeing you, bro.
Have a good one.
All right. So standard. Okay. Somebody, you know, they starting to put this standard together. You see where they going. You see where they going with it. Okay. Wow, look at this heat shield. That's cool. Air cleaner. Yeah. It's cool. I'm digging the clear windshield. It's kind of trending. That's trending. I like that. Whew. Gangster OG. Yeah, that's how you do that. ST in the building. Ooh, okay. I like that color. Come on, that's nice. Yeah, I like the sport fairing. Yeah, that's hard. That's your bike?
Yeah.
What year is that?
68.
Did you say you traded in your FXR for that?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Cross trade.
That's what's up. That's ballsy. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, it was too comfy.
Yeah, I feel you.
I like problems.
I just like the fact that you're not afraid to be different, you know?
Yeah.
Like, I love that.
I'm building an Evo bike, so I didn't need two Evos.
Okay, that's cool, man. It's cool. I got a O2 Electric Glide bagger that I stripped down. I debaggered it.
Yeah.
And I'm everything I'm putting on there just to make it look older and older and older.
There you go.
Where when you look at it, you can't even, unless you look at the motor.
Right.
Yup. So, hey, what's your name, man?
Greg.
Greg. I'm Hot Rod.
Hot Rod. Nice
All right,
to meet
man.
you. Hey, he remind me of George. You're going to hear that again.
Oh, word?
Yeah, you look like the homie George.
All right. Hey,
All right,
nice hollering at y'all. Brown butter, baby. Little shovel. I like this shovel, all clubbed out. You know, thrashing. Can't go wrong with thrashing. And you know, come on, people. Ain't nothing wrong with a little oil leak, you know? Stop acting like if your bike leaking oil was the end of the world. Come on now. Cut it out. Oh, that's nice. I like the custom seat. You know what I mean? Custom duct tape seat. That's cool. Word up. I feel you, homie. Nah, we ain't doing sport bikes like that this day, man. You on the wrong day, homie. Okay, little night train. Nice little naked night train. That's a blank canvas right there. That, man, the shit you could do with this bike. Oh man, that's nice. Man, you can go club style, you can go chopper. Man, gotta love a night train, especially if you're in a black bike, because you already got the black cases. Oh man, yeah. Beamer, no. That's what I want. I want a real dash. Damn, that's hard. That's hard. Damn, ST. Fuck. That's hard. Phew. These must be the ST boys. ST FXR boys. STs in the house, man. We're gonna start getting some more of these. Last year we had a few Lowrider STs, so we got more coming. So if y'all want an ST, hit us up. Gotta love a Sportster, man. I love a sporty Lowrider ST. Ooh, this is nice. That's clean. Look at that. Ooh. New. Dinah, Street Bob. Little ratty, little sporty. Okay, little fat Bob, Dinah. Come on, y'all. Damn, they parked the weird shit in the back, huh? Hey, at least they ride. At least they came out. You feel me? Whoa, hold up. Gotta love a color match fairing. I mean, if you're not gonna ride Harley, you better make it unique. And that's unique. You know what I mean? If you ain't gonna ride Harley, at least have fun with it. Look at this stance. Come on, this is how you do the sporty, man. Look at that. Come on, look at that. That's beautiful. Shovelhead chopper. I mean, come on, what more can I say? Come on, man. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. This is everything right here. Oh, my God. Man, that's like art. That's art right there, man. That's nice. Okay, somebody looking for some tail. Looking for some tail. Yeah. Street Bob, man. Street Bob Diner. Come on. Swing arm chop. Sporty. That's how you do it. Look at that gangster lane. Look at that light. Come on. That's hard, man. Sissy bar. Come on. Tank. Come on. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Details. Come on. Look at that lean. Look at that lean. Come on, man. That's hard. Anniversary. I love the blue Annie. The blue Annie is hard. It's nice. This nice, man. This Softail, yeah, that's hard. That's nice. I think my next bike gonna be something like this. I want to do a Softail like this. Yeah, this might be my next project. That's nice. That's clean. Clean M8. That's nice. Diners, man. You know, diners, man. Come on. You gotta love the diners. Street Bob's in the house. Fat back. Fat back shadow. Okay. Hey, what's up? How y'all doing?
Good, man.
Sporties. Yeah, it's nice. A little hardtail sporty. Cool setup. Yeah, that's nice, man. That's cool. I like the headlight, man. A little mini light. Yeah, that's cool. The little skinny seat. Come on. Yeah, man. Tail light custom. Duct tape. That's custom duct tape right there. Come on now. sporty with lean. I mean, you gotta put lean on your sporty. Come on, man. Just go over with that front end, man. Come on. Look at that. That's nice. You know, just give your bike some character, you know? Make it a little menacing. What we got back here? Look like a 48 and a low Rider S. Yeah, that's nice. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. You know what I mean? Can't go wrong, man. Just ride it, man. Just ride it. What's over here? Okay, we got a little diner. Look like she lifted up. Yeah, that's nice. Cool. T-bar set up. You know what I mean? Baggers. Yeah, you know what I mean? Is this a king? This looks like a king. Yeah, the king's in the building. Street vibe, man. Come on, you can't go wrong with a street vibe. You can't go wrong, man. Look at this thing. Set up. Yeah, she's standing up tall, too. M8's gonna be the, people gonna go from this to that. That's gonna be this from that. Once you graduate from this, you're gonna go to the M8, but just gonna trick it out the same way. You feel me? Come on. A lot of street bikes out here today. What's going on? Oh, man, look at this thing. This thing nasty. It's nice, man. Yeah, that's cool. A little trike. Yeah. A lot of street bikes. Damn, what's going on? Sportsters. Can't go wrong with a sporty. Gotta love the sporty crew. Can't go wrong with a sporty. Whew. Man, look at this little Evo build. Man. Yeah, that's hard. That's hard.
I'll put my bag.
Word up. I feel you, homie.
Oh, yeah.
I was thinking I was going to put mine in the back too.
Yeah, this slick down to the helmet. Nice grinder front end. Whew. Yeah, this is dig hard. Come on, look at this thing, man. Damn. Gotta love a pink chopper, especially if it's a shovel. Only a man can ride a pink chopper. Straight up. You know what I mean? You get, come on, look at that exhaust. That's dope. Yeah, that's hard, man. So there you have it, man. You know, this is the first swap meet of the year. You know, we down here in Long Beach. You know, just did a nice little walkthrough at a bike corral. You know, earlier I went over to the swap meet side. I don't know, picked up a couple things, but really wasn't too much shaking, you know. But it was nice to kind of just come this month and just kind of just be a customer, just observing it. Usually we come set up, but I don't know, we just wanted to take this month off, but I can't stay away because, you know, when we set up, man, we got to be here at 4 in the morning. And man, that should be, it'd be brutal. So it was nice just to come observe. And now I'm about to get up out of here and go get some breakfast. So we see y'all on the next one. We out.